Nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes. We say wrong things. We do wrong things. We fall. We get up. And we learn to grow. We move on. We live. And we thank God for always giving us another chance.